On this video, I'm gonna show how to work with VMware snapshots and how to set up the hard drive using independent persistent. This is a new installation. This is a Windows Server 2012 computer. I had a snapshot for it. I'm gonna create a hard drive. I'm gonna leave everything as default. Launch the console, and I'm gonna add the hard drive that I just created. This is a 40 gigs hard drive. Everything by default. Unit D. I'm gonna create a new snapshot of the current status. It's finalized. And I'm gonna open the server again. Now let's assume that we had new information on the hard drive. I had a access database. I'm gonna do the manage snapshot. I know I have two. This is the one after I create and add the hard drive on the server. I'm gonna do revert. It's finalized. So now I'm gonna launch the server. As you can see here, the database is gone. So we have to be very careful with the snapshots. I'm gonna do another setup on the same virtual machine. I'm gonna start all over again. I'm gonna add a hard drive. But this time I'm gonna do a different setup. I'm gonna set the hard drive as independent persistent. And then I'm gonna select the location. I'm gonna choose this data store. 2 gigs should be enough. Now I had to go to the computer and add the hard drive. Then I'm gonna create a snapshot of the current status. The snapshot failed, and this is the reason why. I cannot take a snapshot of the virtual machine memory. It's processing, 10%. It's done. Now I have a snapshot of the current configuration. I'm going to the server again. I'm gonna save a database and a file on the new hard drive. I'm going to use this snapshot. This is the one when we install the hard drive as independent persistent. The snapshot has been reverted. To review the server, the D drive is here, and also the files. As we can see, the setup that we just did, the independent persistent configuration, keeps this partition isolated from the snapshots. So that means that we can revert a snapshot from any point at any time, and we don't have to worry about this data.